There is a haunted display in Comstock Park that will make your jack-o'-lanterns and scarecrows look like child's play, and it's now getting some national attention.
Yeah, this local gem will be send your family-friendly stroll through fairy tale land, aiming for a more magical experience than a scary one. I actually got a chance to walk through it myself and learn more about why this year's exhibit almost didn't happen at all.
There is the most plain beige ranch house with white trim and shutters. It is the most bland, ordinary house you'll ever see. Under all of that,
that she is referring to is the Haunting of Storybook Hollows, a handcrafted fairy tale town with a spooky twist.
the village has fallen under a curse, and all of the villains have come back as ghosts to haunt the village.
And it covers quite literally every inch of the Dunnahy's Comstock Park home.
The windows of the little shops are actually lined up with our actual windows so that if there's a fire, we can still get out.
So instead of simply just putting out pumpkins or cobwebs, this family's treated their neighbors to a spooky spectacular for the past 15 years. A tradition Jennifer started as a kid.
When I was 11, my dad and I started doing a Halloween display at my parents' house. I would take the day off of school, he would take the day off of work, we'd set it all up.
Jennifer has come far from her early days of setting up for Halloween. Now the magic starts to come up in August, entertaining thousands every year. But this fantasy land became a nightmare in late August when a tornado tore through Comstock Park,
It was devastating.
threatening all of the Dunnahy's hard work.
And within minutes, all of a sudden, it picked up. A huge tree fell on the power line. Sparks went everywhere.
A number of trees, including a 150-year-old maple, toppling over, crushing parts of this exhibit and destroying years of hard work.
And it was like an apocalypse back there.
But after the initial shock, Jennifer and her family got digging, recovering what they could, and made lemonade out of lemons.
These guys ended up underneath what fell out of the sycamore tree. That's why now they're all mossy and viney. That's all to cover up all of the patches that we had to do.
Jennifer taking the show must go on mentality to heart, and in no time brought this storybook land out of the hollows, just in time for the droves of Halloween lovers.
I hope our neighbors are okay with it. You know, I've got a few neighbors who say they absolutely love it.
And showing that the spells of Mother Nature can't bring down the spirit of Halloween.
Yeah, so something cool about this, they're actually looking to raise money. They do this every year for the Humane Society. So this year, hoping to break $10,000.
Oh,
So if you
okay.
come, you come with some cash and you can donate to that cause. But you drive up and you don't even know where their home is. I mean, this place is
I was going to say, they
covered.
really are invested in Halloween because that display, next level.
We couldn't even find the front door. I couldn't find Jennifer when we first went out there.
I passed that the other day when they were setting it up. As you said, they've been doing it for a long time. Me and the kids usually go over there. That's in my neck of the woods.
Yeah.
So, really neat. A very dedicated people to do that.
And I like that it's kind of a storybook fantasy, so it's not super scary.
It's not as scary, I like that
so
too.
If you're not a fan of that, then this is kind of a fun.
There you go, fun stuff.
Option. Hoping though, they're going to be open for at least another week, maybe a couple clear nights for them as people are wanting to see.
Listen, if they did for Halloween what you do for Christmas, it would be up all year, wouldn't it?
Yeah, exactly. Literally.
He likes to
might
keep
be
the Christmas
easier
tree up
for
a
them,
long
yeah.
time.
Call me out, Kevin.
But it's no, it's all good. I don't mean that in a bad way. If you like Christmas, leave the tree up. Good morning, everybody.